Hey guys, and very welcome to a short little video update here. We are expecting really hard and gusty winds the next following days here. So I will storm secure my solar trackers, and first of all I will go up to the mountain here and take a look at my panels that I have up there. I just want to make sure that everything is fixed and secure, so nothing has came loose, because we had some winds last week. It was not so hard, but I just want to take a look at it, and then I am going to strap down my solar trackers. Here we go guys, and very welcome. I'm so sorry for the wind noise, but I cannot do anything about it. I'm now looking at my panels here, and they are looking straight and nice, so nothing has been moving around here, so that's great. So you can see that it is a wooden frame, and I have carried everything up here by myself, so I can say that they are not overbuilt, or how you say it. So I will just see, so everything is sitting firmly and nice, and nothing is loose, but it really looks great. Great. Now I just have to go down again. So I have this rope to hold myself into, because it's pretty steep down there. So a last look. Hopefully it will survive the coming hours. So here is how I do it. You can see that I have 3 holes here. I normally just I have actually 4 holes, but I drilled that one wrong. So nowadays I only use this for winter and this for summer, and this is the storm setting here. So I will just release those bolts here, like so. And then I just will raise this up, and then I use a screwdriver to easier find the hole here. So there we have it. Oh, there it is. Oops. So it's actually really simple. And now I just have to attach this. Not too hard and not too soft. now they are secured, and hopefully they will hold up for the storm the next following days here. So I will keep you updated. Thank you so much for watching. This is my storm setting. Hope I see you later. Take care. Goodbye.